In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Payoneer to Amazon KDP. To get started, open your web browser and sign in to your Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing account. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving forward, since you'll be updating your payment settings inside the account dashboard. Next, open a separate browser tab and sign in to your Payoneer account. Before you continue, check that you already have an approved receiving account for the currency you want Amazon to pay you in. This is important because Amazon KDP will need valid banking details, and those details must match the receiving account that Payoneer has made available to you. Once you're inside Payoneer, go to the receiving account section. Here you'll need to copy the banking information that Amazon asks for. This usually includes the account holder name, bank name, account number, and for US dollar payments, routing, or ACH details. In some cases, you may also need a SWIFT or BIAT code. Take your time here and copy everything exactly as shown. Even a small mismatch can delay verification or payments later on. After that, go back to your Amazon KDP tab. In the top area of the page, click your account name and then select account. This will take you to the section where your publishing and payment information is managed. Scroll down until you find the Getting Paid section. In that area, choose the option to update your payment method. This is where you'll enter the bank details from your Payoneer receiving account. Now carefully type in the Payoneer banking information exactly as it appears in Payoneer. Accuracy matters a lot here. Make sure the account holder name, account number, bank name, and any routing or SWIFT details are entered without errors. If your Payoneer account provides instructions for a specific currency, follow those details closely. Once everything is filled in, review all the information one more time and save your changes. It's always a good idea to double check before submitting, especially when you're dealing with royalty payments. If Amazon asks for additional verification, simply follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your payment information. Depending on your account or region, this step may vary slightly, but the process is usually straightforward. After submission, Amazon may take some time to verify the bank account before it can be used for upcoming royalty payments. So if you don't see instant approval, that's normal. Once the account is verified, your future Amazon KDP royalty payments will be sent to your Payoneer receiving account based on Amazon's regular payment schedule.